Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2019 Toyota Camry SE XP package. It is going to be super white with the ash cloth and Softex interior. Now as you can see, a few of the visual cues that does say it is a XP package is, as you can see, those wheels right there, you have the red brake calipers and then the black mirror caps. But we'll take a look at the full package on the window sticker. Speaking of which, we'll go ahead and check that out. As you can see, this is the SE Sedan in super white. And as far as options, we do have the power sunroof for $900 as well as the XP package. You go ahead and pause to get a good look at that. As well as the clear paint protection hood and door package, carpet mats, and the phone charging ports for a total of $30,479. And then gas mileage is going to be 28 city, 39 out on the highway, 32 combined. Taking a step back, as you can see, that blacked out lower rocker panel does add a lot of appeal to this car, as well as the blacked out wheels. We'll take a look at those. Now these are going to be the 18-inch alloy wheels riding on Hankook Energy tires with those red brake calipers behind them. Of course, you do have rear disc brakes on this model. As you can see, that blacked out rear deck lid spoiler, as well as badges, dual tips down below, as well as the XSeries badge. You do have a rear bumper applique as well, so that will protect any scuffing. And then of course, up over here on the fender, you also do have the XP badge right there. But coming in, as you can see, you do have your switchblade key on this one since it is an SE. Unlock twice to unlock all your doors. And coming in, this one does have 17 miles on it. So just go ahead and stick your key in ignition. Twist to start. Now coming underneath the hood, you do have the 2.5 liter Dynamic Force i4 with D4S. D4S is going to be direct import fuel injection as well as dual variable valve timing with intelligence, producing 203 horsepower, 184 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. There is a V6 option on the Camry as well as a hybrid powertrain available. So we'll go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming back in, we do have that ash Softex and cloth interior right here. As you can see, those cloth inserts do accent it nicely with the stripe up top. Down below, we do have our fully powered driver's seat with your power lumbar below that. Camry floor mats right there. And then we'll go ahead and step in. Checking out your door panel, padded materials right here on your armrest, as well as your power windows, locks, and mirrors with storage down below there. Left of the steering wheel, you also do have your automatic high beams, traction control, trunk and gas cap release with some storage, panel dim, and your trip reset right there. Coming to the steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke leather-wrapped wheel. Full-way D-pad for that center LCD between your gauges, as well as your Bluetooth phone. You'd have your voice commands and audio controls right here. More audio controls, cruise control, dynamic radar cruise, and your lane keep assist right here. Paddle shifters mounted on the back of the wheel with your SE model. Over here on the left, you have your automatic LED headlights with your automatic high beams and tap to 3 blinks blinkers. Over on the right, variable intermittent speed wipers. Dashboard's all nice soft touch material. You have some stitched accents over here. Checking out your audio system. Checking out your sources. We do have the AM, FM, USB, as well as Bluetooth streaming audio and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going back to our menu, as you can see, this is where your Apple CarPlay will be accessed, in which you do connect up by phone through the USB port. You can access that. Below that, single zone automatic climate control, so you can just set your temperature right here, press automatic and leave it, or you can manually control your fan speed over here. Below that, USB and auxiliary audio inputs, as well as a 12 volt. You also do have some storage right here. And here's going to be that 8-speed automatic transmission with sport mode and manual shift down here or via the paddles. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera right there. Cup holders and a nice padded armrest with plenty of room down in there. Glove box damped with all your owner's manuals in there. And then up top, you'd have a manually dimming rearview mirror. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor with a nice little extension. You also do have LED map lights and your controls for your power sunroof that is automatic. Now beside those controls, you also do have your SOS Safety Connect if you ever find yourself in a pinch. Closing up that sunroof. That about wraps it up for the front seat. Let's go ahead and check out the rear. Now coming back here, As you can see, that Softex Asian cloth interior does follow through. Dual seat mat pockets right there with your padded armrest, automatic power window, and door storage down below there. Stepping in, behind my 5'9" driving frame, plenty of knee room, plenty of footroom down below as well. Dual seat mat pockets as well as some storage right here and those charging USBs. Over here to my right, we'll go ahead and unbuckle this. You do have a nice padded armrest with cup holders, and then up top, you have the cornering handles with coat hooks and some LED map lights. Nice view of the dash right there. We'll go ahead and check out the cargo area, and then we can wrap up our video. Now coming around back, as you can see, all those blacked out badges exclusive to your XP models, as well as that trunk lid spoiler. Opening up your hatch, it does pop right open. Nice line trunk lid with emergency release right there. Rear seats do fold down 60/40 to expand cargo room. You also do have your front license plate bracket. Underneath your cargo floor, temporary spare tire and jack. Also, some bag hooks right here. Very nicely finished cargo area. And so that about wraps it up for this 2019 Toyota Camry SE XP package. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.